Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve GFG 160 day challenge series problem number day 9, and problem is minimize the heights, and it's the difficulty level medium level. Okay, so let's read the question. Given an array denoting heights of n towers and a positive integer k. For each tower, you must perform exactly one of the following operations exactly once. Increase the height of the tower by k and decrease the height of the tower by k. Find out the minimum possible difference between the heights of the shortest and tallest tower after you have modified each tower. So you can find a slight modification of the problem. So you guys can see, and there is a note also. It is compulsory to increase or decrease the height by k for each tower. After the operation, the result array should not contain any negative integers. Okay, so some points we need to care about that one while solving this question. So basically, let's break down the questions. So we have a given array, okay, denoting a heights of towers and a positive integer k. Okay, so these two operations we have to operate over the array. First, increase the height of the tower by k, and we will decrease the height of the tower by k. So for every uh, height of the tower, we have to perform these two operations at least once, like exactly once. Okay, find out on, then we have to find the minimum possible difference between the shortest and tallest tower. So let's take a in this example, there is example k is equal to given a 2, and we have array 1 5 8 10. So these number are the height of the towers. Okay, then we have to find the first shortest tower and the tallest tower. Then we will take the mm, minimum of this one. Okay, so let's take example. There is a explanation here also, like the array can be modified as 1 plus k, 5 minus k, 8 minus k, 10 minus k, and 3 3 6 8. The difference between the largest and the smallest is 8 minus 3. Like if we find this from this array basically, so we will get the minimum is 3 and maximum is 8. So after subtracting the from the largest value and the smallest value, then we will find the 5. Okay, so how we are calculating actually this array 1 plus k, 5 minus k, 8 minus k, 10 minus k. Okay, so I'm going to show you example. What is the array 1 5 8 10? So let's see how can you approach this problem. So the idea is, first let's take a array 1 5 8 10 and k is equal to 2. Let's check k is equal to 2 or not. K is equal to 2. Okay, if I'll show you in the graph this number in the form of tower, then how can we draw this graph? Like may this is 0 0, so it 1 and 2 3 4 5. uh, let's rub this. I'll try here. Okay, this will be, this coordinate will be 0 0, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so maybe first is like first hour is just length 1, and the second hour is length 5, and third tower is length of 8. Okay, and fourth tower is our length of 10. So I can write 1, and this is the, and this one is the 5, and this is 8, and this is 10, right? So, and let's take the approach, like what is approach. So first we will sort this array. Okay, array dot sort. So first we will this sort array. So after sorting, what we will get 1, 5, 8, and 10. It is already sorted, so no worry about this one. But we could be have a unsorted value also, right? So first we will sort. Then second step is we will find a result or will be largest tower minus smallest tower. So if there is a no if we length of just 2, then we don't need to find the other iterations value, other in the minutes, just first and last value. So the first value is what is here, the first, the largest will be the array of -1 and minus array of 0, right? Array of 0 is our will be the smallest value, this will be the smallest value, and array of -1, or you can say like array of n, right, n minus 1. So this will be the smallest value, and this will be the greatest, so we will subtract this one, then this will be our result, right? Third, so if we have a other iterations like this array, like for 5 and 8, so at least we have to subtract these two numbers, like these two numbers, k is equal to 2. It's like 1 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 8 plus 2, then 10 plus 2, then 1 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 10 minus 2. So whatever the possible numbers there, so uh, we have to increment for increment, and we have to decrement by this value, by this value, and then we have to find the largest tower and the smallest tower, and then we will subtract this one, then we will get the minimum heights of the towers, right? So how to find the minimum height of towers, and how to find the maximum height of tower? Okay, so first these two heights we need to find. Okay, so what could be the logic? So logic could be it, if for a minimum height, if we add this number k, basically if we will add this number, and then we will subtract this number, minus k, minus k, and minus k, right? So maybe we have to find some adjust, we are doing the some adjustments, some modifications there, right, for the minimum height of tower, right? And like this we can also find the maximum height of tower. Let's take the another pen. If we will subtract this one, and then we will like 8 plus k, 5 plus k, and 1 plus k. So like this we can maximize our height, right? So we have to find the smallest tower and the max largest tower, finding these two combinations. Okay, so for this one we have minimum function, and we can take the height, like this array height, and first, and then plus k, and subtracting the array of I, that means these three numbers, right? Array of I minus k, and then we will find that this these from these two numbers we will find the minimum number, that is the smallest, that will be the smallest tower, or you can say smallest height of the tower. Okay, then we will find the maximum of array minus 1, that is the our largest value. Okay, and then we will do the minus k, and then again array of I minus 1 and plus k. Like this we can find the our largest tower. Okay, and then we will find our result, like minimum of, first we have calculated whatever we have calculated this result, and then maximum height and minimum height. So this is our the approach, this is the fourth step. Then we have the final value, and this will be the answer. Okay, so let's iterate over one by one. I'm going to take another pen here, maybe it's blue. Mhm. Let's dry run over this array. Okay, so first we will calculate the array dot sort, and we will get the 158 as it is the same, right? It is the same, we will get it. Then we will calculate result. I'm taking this example, and I will apply dry run, and I'll show you the step by step. Okay, so for this one, result of minus array of minus 1 minus array of 0. So what will be? First, initially it will be 10 minus 1 is 9, right? Then we will calculate our minimum height. What will be? When I is equal to 1, for the first iteration. Okay, so minimum height we will calculate, I is equal to minimum, and then array of array of 0 plus 2, k is 2, and array of I is 1, 5, and array of 5 plus 2. Okay, then array of, what is the array of 0? Array of 0 is 1, so it will be 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, and array of this will be the 5 value. This is not 5, this is actually 1, this will be the 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, and what is the minimum value there? We will get 3, minimum of this one, 3 comma 7. Okay, so it will be 3. So like this we will calculate maximum height, maximum of, so it will be the same, array of 0 plus 2 is 3, and then again we will go the next iteration, so it will be 2, then 8 plus 2, So it will be 3 comma 10. uh, Not, we are running for the iteration 1, so it will be the also 5. And for this we have I minus 1, so it will be 1. Then 1 plus 2 is 2, and this is the type 3, so maximum will be 3. So like this we will go to the iteration 2, and our minimum height is minimum of this 3. Okay, maximum height, for calculating the maximum height, it will be, say, sorry guys, we made a error. Basically I made error here. Okay, why is not taking? Okay, I think it's not working. Fine, our board is, let's try once more. Yeah, this pencil is not working. So overall, I'm trying to explain like how well, like iteration one, we have to calculate this iteration two and iteration three, and we will update our, every time we will update our result. Okay, so this is the algorithms we are approaching. So once more I'm going to explain. First we will sort the array. Okay, and then we'll find the result our, just uh, taking the value, largest value and the smallest value. Then we will find the maximum tower, minimum height of tower and maximum height of tower. Then we will take the result like minimum of our previous result, and while subtracting the maximum tower minus minimum tower. Okay, so let's jump to the solution, and then we will implement here in our. Okay, so first we will calculate the length of the array. Okay, and then we will initialize our result. What will be the, so we will take the first step, that is our array dot short, right? Then again we will calculate our result, just subtracting the largest value and minus smallest value. So what will be the largest value? Array of minus 1 and minus array of 0. Okay, then we will apply the iteration here. So for, and we have a condition also there, every time air of I should be greater than or equal to k. It should not be the less than k, because here, like in question they mentioned the resultant array should not contain any negative integers, right? Okay, so for I in range 1 comma n, and there is a condition, if array of I is greater than equal to k, then we will find the our minimum height is equal to minimum of array of 0 plus k minus array of I minus k every time. And maximum height should be, we will find the maximum of array of minus 1, and we will do the minus operation, minus k minus sorry, comma, array of I minus 1 and plus k. Okay, then we will find update our result value, taking the minimum of result and highest tower, that is our max edge, minus smallest tower, that is our minimum height. Okay, and just simply we will return our result. Let's run. Should be working fine. Name min h is not defined. Min h, we can take it small here. Okay, so our output is 5 and expected is also 5. Just let's submit the code. If just see it like every test cases will be passed or not. So every test cases are passed here, 11:15 by 11:15. I hope you understand the problem along with our implementation and code. If you don't understand in just one go, so please rewatch this video, and I think you should able to find. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for today, and I will meet in the next video. Keep learning and keep going.